Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Beginner Level Quiz. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The dog is friendly. Dog is friendly. Friendly. What is the correct past tense of see? Seed, saw, see. Saw. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. We blank going to the park. Am, is, are. Are. We are going to the park. Choose the correct adverb. She works blank. Hard, hardy, hardly. Hard. She works hard. What is the plural of person? Persons, people, peeps. People. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The sky is blue. Sky is blue. Blue. What is the past tense of teach? Teached, taught, teaching. Taught. What is the present participle of eat? Eat, eating, ate. Eating. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Beautifully. What is the correct form of to be in the past tense? I blank happy yesterday. Am, is, was. Was. I was happy yesterday. Identify the conjunction in the sentence. I like both swimming and hiking. I like and. And I like both swimming and hiking. Choose the correct article. She is blank engineer. A and the. And she is an engineer. Identify the verb in the sentence. They play soccer. They play soccer. Play. What is the comparative form of hot? Hotter, hottest, cold. Hotter. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. I blank going to the market. Am, is, are. Am. I am going to the market. Choose the correct form of the verb. She blank a new coat. Have, has, having. Has. She has a new coat. Identify the subject in the sentence. The sun sets in the west. Sun sets west. Sun. What is the past participle of drink? Drinking, drank, drinked, drank. Choose the correct conjunction. She is tired, blank, she is happy, and, but, or. But, she is tired, but she is happy. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The cat is sleepy. Cat is sleepy. Sleepy.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.